If SketchUp is giving you errors, crashing on launch, or refusing to open properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. We're going to cover permission issues, graphics driver problems, repair and reinstall options, clearing the web cache, checking your firewall or antivirus, and one very important SketchUp 2026 fix, switching the graphics engine from new to classic. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy guides. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should try is running SketchUp as an administrator. This is one of the simplest fixes, and it can solve launch problems caused by permission issues. To do that, find the SketchUp icon on your desktop or in your Start menu, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. If SketchUp opens normally after that, the issue was likely related to access rights, and you may want to keep using that method until the underlying problem is resolved. If that does not fix the problem, the next thing to check is your graphics drivers. Outdated NVIDIA or AMD drivers are a very common cause of crashes, black screens, and loading errors in SketchUp. Open your NVIDIA or AMD software or go directly to the official driver download page for your graphics card. Make sure your drivers are fully updated, then restart your computer before opening SketchUp again. Even if your PC seems to work fine in other apps, SketchUp can be much more sensitive to older GPU drivers, so this step is really important. Now let's move on to repairing or reinstalling SketchUp. If some program files are corrupted or missing, SketchUp may fail to launch correctly or show strange errors. The safest approach is to use the official SketchUp installer and choose the repair option if it appears. If repair is not available, reinstall the app using the latest official version from SketchUp's website. This can replace broken files without affecting your project files in most cases. After reinstalling, restart your computer and test SketchUp again. Another useful fix is clearing the web cache. If you are seeing 404 errors or web-related loading problems inside SketchUp, the web cache folder may be storing broken data. To clear it, first close SketchUp completely. Then open the SketchUp cache location on your computer, find the web cache folder, and delete its contents or the folder itself if needed. After that, relaunch SketchUp so it can rebuild a fresh cache. This step often helps when embedded web features or online resources are not loading properly. Next, check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes security software blocks SketchUp from connecting to the internet or reaching online services, which can cause unexpected errors. Open your firewall or antivirus program and look for blocked apps, exclusions, or allowed applications. Make sure SketchUp is trusted and allowed through. If you recently installed new security software, that could be the reason SketchUp started having problems. Once you allow it, try opening the app again and see if the issue is gone. Now here is the big one for SketchUp 2026 users. The new graphics engine in SketchUp 2026 is faster, but it can also be very sensitive to GPU drivers. If SketchUp is crashing, freezing, or showing graphic glitches, switching from the new engine to Classic can often fix it immediately. To do this, open SketchUp and go to Window, then Preferences, then Graphics. Under Graphics Engine, change the setting from New to Classic. Once you apply the change, restart the app completely. After the restart, test your file again and see if performance improves. In many cases, this one setting can make the biggest difference, especially if your graphics card drivers are not perfectly up to date, or your system is having compatibility issues. If SketchUp works better with Classic, you can continue using that mode until a later driver or software update gives you a better experience with the new engine. So to quickly recap, if you have a SketchUp app error, start by running it as Administrator, then update your graphics drivers, repair or reinstall the program, clear the web cache folder, check your firewall or antivirus, and for SketchUp 2026, switch the graphics engine from new to classic. These are the most reliable fixes for the most common launch and crash issues. If this video helped you solve your SketchUp problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more software troubleshooting tutorials. And if you're still having issues, leave a comment below with the exact error message and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.